How you doing, guys? I'm Mog. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Yes, I can talk even with my eyes closed. Guys, this is Sean. Obviously, you know that already. So listen, this is day 11 of my photography and video challenge. And just get myself together here. This is a wee Mog fella here. So get my bags packed. This is after 10 days now with Sheena and her lovely boys. And I'm heading back home again. I've got a 10-mile cycle. And look, the wee man doesn't want me to leave. He wants to come home with me. Don't you, son? Do you want to come with me? I would say you wouldn't want to because you're spoiled rotten. So guys, I'm not too sure. This is actually, I've got about 10 mile, maybe 11 mile cycle ahead of me. It's pissing down with rain. By the time I get up, I might do a talk about photography. I've got a few wee ideas I want to run past you. But thank you all so much for your lovely comments. And we'll see what happens. There's even Mog said thank you there. So what I'll do is I'll see you when I get up home. I might get some photographs on the way up. And I'll take them then, okay? So listen, send you love. Here's the video.
Okay guys, so listen, I got back home, probably talking about an hour and a half. I took it nice and easy. I had a lot of weight on the back of the bike. I had my backpack and everything on, backpack on my back, and I had a backpack on the pannier set, and the pannier set was also filled. So I just took it nice and easy coming up home. So listen, as I said earlier on, I didn't know if I was going to get any photographs taken. I never got a chance. And the biggest thing that happened was this here. What you're actually seeing, this is my software for editing the films for YouTube. It's Sony Vegas 13. And I've just literally uploaded, you'll see, day 11 vlog. So in other words, this is probably going to confuse you, because it's certainly going to confuse me. Hard to describe, I tell you. This video here you're watching now is obviously day 12. And I'm making this on day 11. And I'm going to be talking to you about a video that you're not going to see until tomorrow night. I'm going to talk about a video the night before. So, and I can assure you, I'm not on any wacky tobacco or anything like that. So basically, it's hard for me to get my head around to describe. Tell you, you're watching a video that was made yesterday, and I'm going to be talking about a video that you're going to see tomorrow. Fucking madness, I know. So listen, what have you got in front here? It's taken 5 hours. Maybe 5.5 hours for me to make this, and I'm not doing this as wheel and wall. This is a passion for me, but basically I've done a couple of videos on how to make videos, so I'll put links up above. But cut a long story short, so this video here has just gone live not long after 9 o'clock. So this is the one, hopefully if you've seen it, day 11, if you've seen it yesterday, last night, this is the one that wee Maisel was taken into the vets. Okay, so each one of these here are clips. This is like a video clip. This is taken on the phone. Okay, so this bit here is the video, and this here bit is the audio. Okay, video clip, audio, video clip, audio. This here is the audio that I've added to the narration. I've added to the video. Okay, I'm just going to reduce this down. So each one of these are all individual clips. Now, if you look at that, that's a photograph. So what will happen is that whenever this plays, it cuts into a photograph, and you'll see it, this bit here, it goes into another photograph, bang, okay, and this here's another joint, another photograph, and when it goes on to here, it goes into the video clip, starts fading in, and that's in the video clip, okay, and so basically that's, you know, the basis of what a video looks like, depending on if it was a one clip. Obviously you're only going to have one clip. So you can see this bit up here is a wee card just to turn down and say, see this? I'll just enlarge this up and let you see. Day 11, 1st of January. So what's a wee PNG file? And this is put over the top of the video clip. Okay, there. So as you can see, there's more to some of the videos. Now, if it was just a one video clip, you could actually just, it's easy to edit it, because I've had to add in all these different, these are all photographs up here. So basically there's the video clip there. That's me saying the settings for the camera. ISO 100, shutter speed 2.5 seconds, aperture f22. So what's going to happen is, this is a video clip, this is the audio with me talking. and it's going to come up with an overlay. And this here is the sound of a shutter, like click, and then this is a photograph, shutter, clip, photograph, video. Okay, so give you an idea. Okay, that's now popped up. That's going to disappear when it hits this line here. Shutter, click, photograph. This is going to be the next click, click, photograph, and then it's going to go into the video. Okay, so obviously the more the complex the video, the longer it's going to take. And as this one was, there's probably about 3 different stories into one. Plus I had the photographs to tweak, and it took a lot longer than I expected. But as I say, it's a labour of love. I do love doing it. And I'm not doing this here to, you know, look sympathy or anything like that. As I say, I love this. I love photography. I love my channel, and I love sharing my journey. So this is, and it's all about learning, I suppose. I hope you learn things from it. I'm certainly learning from you guys as well. Great comments. So that's the end of this video. I'm going to wrap it up because I'm really whacked, and I'm going to look forward till tomorrow. I don't know what I'm going to be shooting. So just wanted to thank you all so much for all your love and support on the channel, and it's certainly burned with me on this 30-day challenge. I'm definitely getting better at it, at the editing. I think I forgot how much you actually forget. You see, many clips is there? 1, 2, look, I wouldn't even start counting up, but basically all these are all just clips. But it's just photographs, and it's just great to get back to photography again and get back to my channel. So guys, listen, send you love. Hopefully, if you haven't seen last night's video, i.e. this video here tonight, I'm even getting confused now. Have we look back, and it'll probably make more sense if you watch a video, but every time you see one clip jump until another, basically they'll have to be placed in line. Okay, and then you're adding different things. That's a wee clip here, text clip, they add it in. Okay guys, listen, send you love from Belfast, and I will see you in the next video.